Get out. I'll get out. Okay. You can see it's a very cloudy day down whatever crossing for a train service to Perth, I believe. Might be coming. The crossing just set off. See, no, it's getting. Probably an hour, you know. The Zima heading north to Perth, which is all the way up in Scotland. And hopefully heading south via train. Let's see what it is. Because I just felt a big gust of wind and it's absolutely freezing. We might voice over this for another video. Trying out this video, this film during the Corona. What was the real? I've seen here trying to follow coronavirus restrictions in England. On your train to Perth. Yes, it's going to Perth. Yeah. You just missed the pantograph spark.